Hi guys, welcome to Nani's channel. Today we will make this windmill together. So let's start. So for the first round, we need to do a magic ring first. Like this. And then hold this yarn. Put your hook into this circle, yarn over, and do one chain, just like this. And then put your hook into this circle. We need to do 6 single crochet, yarn over, and then yarn over. So if you're new, you can put a mark here on this one, the stitch we just made. And then we need to do 5 single crochet. So after the 6 single crochet, we just pull this yarn to tighten it. We need to do a slip stitch on our very first stitch, which is the mark place. How to do a slip stitch is put your hook through the stitch and then yarn over, and then put your hook directly, just like this. So we finish our first round. For the second round, we need to do 1 chain first, and in each stitch we do a single crochet increase, which means in each stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So in our first stitch, also we can put this little yarn on top of our hook to hide the yarn. So this is our first single crochet, and if you're new, you can put a mark here. We still need to do 1 more single crochet in our first stitch. So now we finish a single crochet increase. We just need to do 5 single crochet increase. So after the 6 single crochet increase, back to our very first stitch, which is the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. So this is our second round. For the third round, we need to do a chain first, and then in the first stitch in here, we need to do a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. And in the second stitch we do a single crochet. In next stitch we do a single crochet increase, which means to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Also, we can put a mark on the next stitch. This is a stitch we will use later. So after this, we can do 1 chain and then flip it. In this, the very first stitch, we need to do 1 single crochet, you also can put a mark here, so you will know this is your last stitch, next round. And the next stitch is a single crochet. Then the next one is a single crochet increase, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. The next one is a single crochet. And then the next one, the last one, is a single crochet. So we do one chain and then flip it. For the next round, we need to do first in the first stitch here, we need to do a single crochet increase, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Also, if you are new, remember to put a mark on the first stitch, on the first single crochet we made. And then after the single crochet increase, we need to do 4 single crochet. Then come to our last stitch which is the mark place. We do 1 single crochet increase. And we do 1 chain, flip it. For the next round, we just do 8 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet. Then the next round, we need to do a chain first and then flip it. First, in the first stitch here, we need to do a single crochet increase. 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then we need to do 6 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet, repeat it 6 times. So in our last stitch, which is the mark place, we need to do a single crochet increase. And in this stitch, we do 2 single crochet. One chain and flip it. For this round, we need to do 10 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet. So the first one, remember to put a mark on the first stitch. And then for last round, we do 1 chain first. And in our first stitch, we do a single crochet increase. 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then we do 8 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 1 stitch. Repeat 8 times. Then come to our last stitch, we do a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we do 2 single crochet. After this, we do 1 chain and then cut the yarn. So for this part, we need to do 3 more. It's like we finish this one, we need to do 3 more. It's the exactly same. This is the mark we put very first. Take it out, put your hook inside the stitch, and then yarn over. Do 1 chain first. Then it's a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we do 2 single crochet. We can put this pink yarn on top of our hook to do the single crochet. So we don't need to hide the yarn later. We can put a mark in the very first single crochet. Still need to do 1 more in the same stitch. Then it's a single crochet next stitch. Next one is a single crochet increase. So you also can put a mark on the next stitch. So this is where the another color starts. Then one chain, flip it. We do 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 stitch, repeat it 2 times. And then a single crochet increase, 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. And then 2 single crochet. One chain. And then in the first stitch here, we do a single crochet increase. Put your mark on the first one. Still need to do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. And then we do 4 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, repeat 4 times. For the last stitch, we do a single crochet increase. One chain and flip it. For this round, we will do 8 single crochet. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet. One chain, flip it. Next round, we need to do first a single crochet increase, 1 stitch, 2 single crochet, remember to put your mark on the first single crochet stitch. And then we do 6 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. In the last stitch, we do a single crochet increase. And chain first, flip it. We need to do 10 single crochet. Each stitch we do 1 single crochet, and then 1 chain first. In the first stitch here, we need to do a single crochet increase, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then we need to do 8 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, repeat. In our last stitch, we need to do a single crochet increase. After that, 1 chain, and then cut the yarn. For the other 2 colors, it's the same like this one. You can play back. By the way, for the first round, for the last color, there should be 1 stitch left, which is the slip stitch from the last round. So if you have 1 more stitch, that's normal. Don't worry about that. So this is what we will have after the 4 colors finished. What we will do next is just like this. We can put our hook from back center here. Put your hook inside and then hold this yarn and then pull it. So it will be like this. And the same for the rest of the 3 colors. So this will be the front. You can do some little decoration in the center. For the back, we can just tie them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.